In today's video, we'll see how to receive a Gmail notification when a backup completes. Sign into your Google account and open the Google Cloud Console. First, create a new project. Once the project has been created, click on Get Started to configure the Google Auth platform. Enter your application name and your email address, then click Next. In the Audience section, select External. Then, enter a contact email address and click Next. Accept the required consent terms and click Create. At this point, go directly to the Audience section and add a test user without publishing the app. In this way, the web application can be used immediately, without having to wait for Google's validation, which is required if you decide to publish it. Add your email address as a test user and save the changes. Now from the side menu, select Clients and click on Create Client. Select Web Application as the application type, then enter a name for the client. Then, enter https://www.iperiusbackup.com as the redirect URI. Finally, click Create. The client ID and client secret will now be generated. You will need these credentials to configure Gmail notifications in Iperius Backup. Now, open Iperius Backup and go to the configuration of your backup job. In the Email Notifications panel, select the option Send a notification when the backup is finished. Then, set the email subject and enter the primary recipients. Then, click on Add/Modify Account to add and configure your Gmail account. Now enter your Gmail address, then set the SMTP server to smtp.gmail.com. Make sure the outgoing mail server authentication option is enabled. Then, paste the client ID into the username field and the client secret into the password field. Then, test the account by clicking Send Test Email. Iperius Backup will open a browser window where you will need to authorize access to your Google account. If you are not already signed in, you will also need to log in to Google. Before granting authorization, the browser may display an unverified app message. This is expected when the app has not been published or validated by Google. To continue, click Advanced. Your Gmail account setup is now almost complete. Iperius Backup will display an authentication code. Copy the code and paste it into the required field in Iperius Backup. Once the account has been configured, you can use it for all backup operations. Finally, you can choose whether to receive an email notification every time Iperius Backup runs a backup, or only in specific cases, such as when the backup completes with errors.